If your Mistplay balance suddenly shows 0 after an update, check the account you're logged into before assuming your units were deleted. Mistplay says progress that appears to disappear can happen when you accidentally create or access a second account using a different login method. In Mistplay, supporto naman. By the end, you'll know how to tell whether your balance is actually missing, whether the update caused a display problem, and what to do before contacting Mistplay support. Start by checking your login method. Open Mistplay. Go to the login screen, and use the same method you originally used to create your account. Mistplay supports different login methods, and changing the email shown on your profile does not change the Google, Facebook, Line, or other platform originally connected to the account. And Mistplay support atwe. If you originally signed up with Google, for example, select Google again instead of creating a new email-based account. This is the first thing to check because Mistplay says a second account can make your progress look completely different. When you regain access to the original account, your units and player experience should be associated with that account. In Mistplay supportun wenta. If you are definitely in the correct account, force stop Mistplay and restart your phone. Then reopen the app and check the balance again. Mistplay recommends force stopping the app and restarting the device when units or GXP are not updating correctly. Mistplay supportun 3. Next, check whether Mistplay is tracking your gameplay. Look for the e-recording game time and notification. Mistplay says you can open that notification and toggle the recording setting off and on again. Then launch your game through Mistplay rather than opening the game directly from your phone. In Mistplay supportun 3. Within 10 seconds of launching the game, Mistplay says you should see the show welcome back Y notification. That indicates the app is monitoring your playtime. Mistplay supportun 3. Nida. If the balance stays at 0, check why de power saver and data saver. Mistplay says power saver can stop background processes, while data saver can interfere with the internet connection required for playtime tracking. In Mistplay supportun 3. Also check whether you have reached a limit that prevents additional units from being earned. Mistplay currently states that GXP can be earned on one game for a maximum of 2 hours per day, and the Mistplay level cap for an individual game is checkpoint 20 out. In Mistplay supportun 3. If your balance is still 0, after confirming the correct account and restoring tracking, check your unit history if it is available. This can help determine whether the balance is genuinely missing or simply not displaying correctly. Finally, contact Mistplay support if your original account is correct, but your units are still missing. Include a screenshot of the 0 balance, your login method, device model, Android version, and what changed immediately after the update. The practical order is: verify the original account, restart Mistplay and your phone, restore time tracking, check power saver and data saver, then review your unit history. If the original account still shows 0 after those checks, report the issue to Mistplay rather than creating another account. If this fixed your Mistplay balance problem, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Mistplay troubleshooting guides.